was a Republican up in LA. I said, I don't need to debate you guys. They're Democrats and they think Gascon is a Republican. You know, the DA in LA County, Gascon, the Soros-funded DA, and they're like, well, you got Gascon, he's not a Democrat. I said, yeah, he's not a Republican. They think he's a Republican.
Who does?
These retards on the bike over here. On the bikes.
I'm just going to talk to them.
I know, I'm just letting you know. I shouldn't talk to them because I get astounded every time. Every time I get astounded. But that was the newest one for me. The Gascon, the Soros-funded district attorney of Los Angeles, is a Republican.
That is hilarious. I mean, you just look at the things that he's doing, his policies.
Black Lives Matter.
And you can tell
everything he does.
Surrounds himself.
Yeah.
That's how you can really tell. You can tell this in politics, and you can also tell this in the church.
We shouldn't be debating amongst ourselves. We should be debating with the other side because they're hopeless. They're never going to change their mind. They're never going to change their mind. It's wasting your breath.
Get this, but let's stop traffic. me see it. I love it. You're very artistic. Let's go. Most people are so confused. Some people are like, this is the way you like it.
Latina, hispana, por favor.
You know what? Carrie Lake did.
Hispana, latina, por favor.
He said Joe Biden's in prison. I want to make that very clear. Because it almost sounds like president. I have never had one person who wanted Joe Biden to
covering this Trump rally. I'm proud of her, and I love her. Fake media is a virus.
Woo!